Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this channel, we explore statistics in agricultural research. I am Dr. Louis Jas. In this video, we'll be diving into lesson 14. We'll be covering the analysis of variance. The objective of this video is to make you understand the best statistical technique that can be used when you have more than two treatment groups. Let's get started. In statistical research, we can define analysis of variance as the statistical test used to compare three or more treatment groups to test if there is any significant group between them. To test if there is any significant between them. So now, we are saying that the analysis of variance, which is commonly known as the ANOVA, is the statistical test that is used to compare three or more means of the treatment groups. So now, this ANOVA used to test if is there any significant differences between those groups. If you may recall, during the last lesson, which is our lesson number 13, we spoke of the t-test, whereby we were talking about comparing only two means. But now, once there are more than two, which is three or more, we are talking about using the statistical technique which is called the ANOVA, or the analysis of variance. For analysis of variance, there are many examples that we can follow. For example, we can have the example in animal science research, whereby we look at the effect of diets. Effects of diets on growth performance of an animal. Now, those diets, you have diet 1, diet 2, diet 3. Maybe your diet number 1 is your control, which is 0% of your diet of interest. Then diet number 2, maybe you have 5% for your diet of interest. And then the other one, maybe you have 10%. So now you want to use statistical technique to investigate if is there any significant differences between these three treatment levels of your diet. So in this example, that's where you are forced to use analysis of variance. It can be the example of plant sciences. On plant sciences, maybe your interest is to investigate the effect of fertilizer on the growth performance of the plant. So those fertilizers, you have fertilizer 1, fertilizer 2, fertilizer 3, fertilizer 4. As long as your fertilizers or your treatment levels are more than 2, so you can use the ANOVA. So for plant sciences, we have all these 4 fertilizers you want to investigate their significant differences. So the ANOVA is the best statistical technique that can be used to investigate the differences between these 4 fertilizers. There are many examples that we can do, and now you have to know that when it comes to analysis of variance, we can use a one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, etc. But on the following videos, I'll be talking about the one-way ANOVA, so that you can know when can we use a one-way ANOVA or the two-way ANOVA. To recap, we have covered the analysis of variance. Remember, analysis of variance is a statistical technique that is used when we compare 3 or more treatment groups.
Do you have a topic you'd like me to cover? A question, and maybe you want a clarity on a certain topic? Leave a comment below. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
See you in the next one.